Hello, today we're going to fold a rose out of palms. They will end up something similar to this. First, you're going to need 2 palms. Sometimes you have to check to make sure they're not very stuck together. You need to have 2 separate ones. You'll line them up like so. You're going to make them slightly diagonal at the bottom and the top. And the first thing you do is you're going to pull this one at an angle across the one in the back. Then you're going to line up the end of that with the side of the one behind. Then you're going to take the one from the back and bring it forward across that line. It doesn't have to be exactly straight because it's going to have a little bit upward angle. And then you're going to turn the whole unit and bring the next one from the back down. And you're going to repeat that, keeping an eye at the center. You want to remember where that center is. Sometimes you can stick a finger right there so that you can see. And you're going to continue to go around, bringing the one from the back around. And you're just going to continue to turn the unit as you're folding. It's okay if anything has a little line, it's fine. So you're going to continue that till you get all the way to the end of your palm. Almost there. Taking note, you can still see the center. They get smaller, and that is the key. Once you get to the end, and it's about the length of the initial part, you're going to take it, you're going to flip the whole unit upside down. So now you're back at what was the bottom, which is now turning into your top. You take the 2 of these, and you're going to put them together, one on top of the other. And you're going to lift them away from the full unit that you just did. You're going to hold with your other hand to keep it together. And you're going to take these 2, and they have to go down through that center hole that you made to come out the opposite side. So you're going to push them straight down. And now what was the bottom is turning into the top of your flower. As it goes through, you're going to use your thumb to kind of hold the unit. And you want to hold it like this and loose, because this hand is going to pull down and twist clockwise at the same time, while your other hand is gently pulling forward the whole unit. And then you're going to just twist and twist and pull until it comes out. Sorry, it's counterclockwise. Until you end up with a rose. These ones were slightly smaller palms than the original one. But as you can see, that's what you get. And you can kind of see, when you reach up and pull that one forward. If you put all of your roses together, some are better than others. As you practice, you'll get better. You can add your flower to a bouquet, which will look great in your church on Palm Sunday.